Okay, now everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be splitting that Scrounger Wood that we've been making the last couple videos here today. So thanks for tuning in, and we're going to get right on it. I'm going to spin this log splitter around, and I got my pallet laid out here on some higher ground, so we're just going to split it and throw it on this pallet right here. I hope you enjoy the show. I'll try to get you a good view coming right up. Okay, now I got my apron on because this is Scrounger Wood. It's some dirty wood, but let's get this thing fired up here now, and we're just going to make some wood. And I do have my little pickaroon here to help me pick this stuff up off the ground. So I got the camera to where you can kind of see the splitting. It's hard to get a good view of it all, so we'll just kind of get this, and I may cut my head off a little bit, but so it is. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to start off with this piece of crap oak right here. I say that. Alright, here we go. I might put it in fast forward, so you never know, but this oak is a little bit wet, I'm pretty sure. I got some oil on my beam there. I just want to kind of smooth it out and spread it around a little bit. Oh yeah, that's some nice red oak right there now. So I'll just split this stuff real small and give it a while to dry out this winter. I'll probably end up selling this stuff in late February or March. It has been sitting out here in the sun for a long time, so. There's some wood bees in that piece there now. Let's see if we can get them out of there. I think those are bees. Yeah, those are those big bumblebees. They're kind of going dormant. It's starting to get cold. Let me see if I can get them out of there. That's what they are, bumblebees. those guys out of there living in a piece of cedar. I had them living in my deck like that. I had to spray some fipronil on it. They haven't ever been in it since. That stuff lasts for 10 years. There's the hole they came in. That's what they do to your wood. They put a hole right in it. You just start burrowing around in there. That's a good piece of wood. It's done. That's some dry cedar right there. Now this oak is some hard wood. Oh. Okay, now everybody, once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I got this whole pile of Scrounger wood to cut through here now, and there's really no sense in recording it all. It's just a bunch of little Scrounger wood. What I'll do is I'll stack it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and you can have your own opinion on whether or not you think it looks like firewood. I can tell you right now, it's looking like firewood to me, so I'm going to keep going on it. Not going to record because I still need to make another video today, and I don't want to run all my batteries down and everything. So I'll sign off now, and we'll check back in when I'm done doing all this splitting. Okay, as I promised, I just wanted to check in and show you my Scrounger wood pile. This is what it looks like, and it's just pretty much firewood. A lot of it's bone dry. It's kind of a mix. There's some oak that's wet, and there's some cedar that's a little more dry now. So over a month or so, this will all kind of even out, and it's great fire pit wood. I got some fire pit customers, or I could just kind of take little bundles of it and throw it in with a rick of firewood here and there, but it is wood, and it will burn. So I went ahead and did that. I thought it'd be a fun video. So there's my Scrounger wood. I got some more piles around too. There's more of it than this. I got to go pick up those other piles now. So I'm going to get on that. I'm going to pick up all these other piles and try to figure out how to move them over here because my truck's full of wood. So I can't use my truck, but I'm going to be on that. I'll see you guys next time.